Federal Road. Sir, what is here? Akpako. What is here? Solid road. This one will last Edo people. This year, the governor. Federal Road. Sapele Road is happy. Sapele Road is happy. The governor is not tired to walk. The governor is not tired to walk. What other government cannot do for 8 years? Akpako, Federal Road. 2.5 million votes is settled. Asiwaju is settled. Oh God. You see what the governor they do? Miracle walking governor. The man is not tired to walk, which is still the best CPS. Oh God. CPS where they perform miracle. Oh God. The best escort commander. Oh, party is supreme. My boss for life. God bless Honorable Sylvain. Party is supreme. Very humble to the governor. Very humble. Oh. See Federal Road. See Federal Road. Edo people. See Federal Road. Oh, Akpako is walking. Oh, now they see Federal Road. Those nuisance on social media. Those refracts. Those noise makers. Governor is walking. The governor is walking. The governor is not tired to walk. The man is dedicated to work for the people of Edo. The man is dedicated to work for the people of Edo. The best governor God has ever given to Edo. Senator Monday Okpewolo, may you continue to live long. Your 8 years is complete. Your 8 years is complete.